Hi, Ollie Veras here with my wife,
Bobby Lane.
and we're doing something a little different. This is our Photo Tech Tuesday is actually going to be all about our upcoming trip to India.
Yes, where we have India for Beginners, which is going to take place in the second half of October. We just had a couple of cancellations, so we have room, and we thought we should put it out there and let you know what's going on. I went to India for a project. I was there for almost 6 weeks, and that was in the late 80s. Sorry, I am that old. It was outstanding. I mean, it was such an incredible experience, and I've been wanting to go back ever since then. So we've kind of designed this tour along with the greatest photo guide ever, Abhi. He's over 30 or 40 photo tours that he's done. The National Geographic people go to him. He's just absolutely amazing. We've designed it with him to hit some of the highlights, but also to give you a great variety. One of the things we want to emphasize, and when we say India for beginners,
we don't mean beginning photographers.
Right.
We know you know how to take pictures. We're not worried about that. It's for people that are a little nervous about going to India.
But it's very exotic.
Yeah.
And it's different. So I know that makes some people nervous. So that's why we're saying this is completely safe, top-notch hotels, established guide, and the highlights of where we're going and what we're doing are really amazing.
You will be taking care of the whole time.
Beautifully.
You're not going to be alone. You're not going to be told to go off over there by yourself.
There's no safety problems here at all. I mean, it's just like get that out of your mind because this is completely and totally safe and exquisite. I mean, the visuals are just going to be outstanding.
Let's take a look at a few pictures.
All right. So we're going to start in Delhi.
And this is the Red Fort. We'll be doing some sightseeing in Delhi, but we're going to be hitting some of the highlights. Another shot of the Red Fort.
Yeah, there's tremendous architecture there, and there's also history. I mean, all of India has just a huge history with the Rajas and the palaces that they have.
And we're also going to take in some street life. We're bound to see some markets. We always love photographing in the markets.
There'll be many markets that are just, the colors are so rich, and flower markets. I mean, it's outstanding. The clothing too, and the people are very open and friendly.
And this is our hotel that we're going to be staying in Delhi. We're basically spending 2 nights in every place that we go.
Pretty much, yeah.
And after Delhi, we head to Agra.
Agra is the home of the Taj Mahal. I mean, you can't go to India without going to the Taj Mahal. So we're actually planning on doing both a late afternoon shoot and a morning shoot. So the late afternoon, it's fully lit, and this is the morning. We know the spot that's on the other side of the river. Not as many people know that, so obviously you can see that you're not going to get a whole lot of people in your foreground, but it's a beautiful sunrise shot.
And our hotel has the view of the Taj Mahal from the rooftop restaurant here.
Yeah,
it's
pretty
really
sweet.
Awesome. And next,
we go on tiger safari to the Ranthambore Tiger Preserve. This is just, I've never seen a tiger in the wild. I've only seen him in a zoo. There's a bunch of tiger preserves. This is by far the best. And we will go on 4.
We're going to go 4, morning and afternoon on the 2 days that we're there.
Right.
And this is our hotel that we're staying at,
Sweet.
Right in the preserve.
Now, in the middle of the day, when we're not going out looking for tigers, this is a birder and an animal paradise. So the birds are, I mean, a lot of people come here just for the birding. It's truly outstanding.
There's like 350 species of birds there.
It's huge.
Amazing.
Yeah. And of course, wherever we go, we're going to be meeting people. And for me, this is truly, this is the heart and the soul. The people who live there, their way of life, their beliefs, their colors, the way that they dress. I fell in love with everybody that I met in India when I was there before. And I'm so looking forward to going back. And people are very open and friendly, as I said.
So next we go to Jaipur, the Pink City.
This is one of the architectural marvels of Asia.
Incredible architectural details. We'll be hitting up the palaces, and there's a fort and all kinds of activity there with this gorgeous architecture. And
you're going to be getting all the history in each of these places as well.
And here's our hotel.
Yeah, again, it's very sweet. But Abhi he is Indian and he is a photographer, so he is going to be telling us so much information and background that's just going to enrich the entire experience.
After Jaipur.
Okay, I gotta talk about this one because this is something that I have wanted to do ever since I first found out about it. This is the Pushkar Camel Fair. It takes place every fall, and hundreds and hundreds of people come. They buy, sell, trade their camels, their elephants, their horses, their cattle, but they do things like they dress up their elephants. There's camel beauty contests. They put makeup on them and clothes on them. And they have all kinds of exhibitions. Oh, they also have camel races. But the people who are there, the people who are doing this, we're going to be going in actually a few days before the official start because we have more access. If we're there when the fair takes place, there's so many people, you'll have a hard time getting around.
Now, this is the one place where we're going to be glamping, where it's not actual hard-sided hotels. It's a fairly remote area, but the glamping, just in case you have never been glamping, these are like really posh hotel rooms. They're just soft-sided.
Yeah.
And you're totally taken care of. Really, it's going to be awesome.
Yeah.
And after that, we go to Udaipur.
Udaipur, another city in Rajasthan. This is also really known for it's like they have palaces on the lakes, on this one big lake, and it's really extraordinary.
It's sometimes called the Venice of the East, and you'll see why. It's because of the access to the water and the palace is right on the water. It's really pretty amazing. Here, we'll take this little view here. You can kind of look back to one of the palaces is right out in the middle of the lake.
Yeah, you'll see that coming up. This is truly extraordinary. I mean, Jaipur and Udaipur are, again, both of them are architectural marvels and very different from pretty much any place else that you're going to see. But here we have the slow reveal. There's the other palace that's on the water, on the island. Really just stunning.
And our hotel is a bit up off of the lake, but very nice hotel.
With great views.
And just wanted to make sure you knew that we have this tour coming up October 17th through 29th. We've got 4 spots left.
If you have any questions, please call us. We're happy to talk to you at any time and fill you in on this. It's going to be a spectacular tour.
And of course, we are also going to Venice next year,
as
February
always,
8th through 16th. And we're thinking, we're actually planning on 2 tours, one to Santa Fe and one to Nova Scotia. We're still working on that.
This is for 2026. I'm in the process of, I've been to Santa Fe teaching at the Santa Fe workshops. I've done over 30 workshops there. So I'm really familiar with the area. I know where there's great landscapes. We'll be doing people and places. We'll be meeting. This is David Michael Kennedy, and that's one of the on the right hand side. That's one of the movie ranches. But we'll be meeting with a couple professional photographers. We'll be visiting the art galleries and the photo galleries. Some great landscapes. The food is fantastic. We'll start in Albuquerque. We'll go down to the VLA, the Very Large Array. So this is, again, going to be a very rich experience with people, places, amazing locations, on some of the best food, actually, I think, in the United States, and Santa Fe. And it's going to be about a 10-day trip. So more details coming, but that's in the works. We're definitely going to be doing that in June of 2026.
And in October, we're going to go to Nova Scotia.
To Nova Scotia, where my family's from. That's where my mother was born. So I'm also very familiar with Nova Scotia.
We're going to make a trip to Cape Breton. I believe this is Cape Breton.
This is Cape Breton Island, and we're going to be coinciding this with the Celtic Music Festival, which takes place in various locations around Cape Breton Island. But we'll start and end in Halifax. We'll go to Peggy's Cove, which is one of the most photographed places in the world. We will be there's eagles everywhere. You can't believe, not as many eagles as Alaska, but they sit on the telephone poles like seagulls do. So they're everywhere. We'll also be visiting the fort at Louisbourg, which is a recreation of a 17th century fort, French fort, that went back and forth. They took turns conquering it, but it's now a recreation of a full working city. And again, people who play their roles for being there, and I've been there 3 times now, and every time it just keeps getting better and better. It's made from the plans, and they have everything is authentic. If it's a replica, they will tell you this is a replica, but most everything there is actually authentic. They actually still bake the bread in the original bakery from the 1700s. This guy's one of the prisoners, as you can see from around his neck. So
anyway, if you are interested in either the Santa Fe trip or the Nova Scotia trip, please email us at email Bobbi at bobbilane.com and let us know your interest. We're working on that. We should have some web pages up
within
soon-ish.
couple of weeks, yeah.
And you can scan this QR code to sign up for our email. And we'll look forward to seeing you on our next photo adventure.
Yeah, and as I said, any questions, call, write, text, show up at our door. We'll be happy to talk to you. Okay.
Good enough.
Peace and love, and bye for now.
Bye.